Today I'm going to talk about the noisy parrot. Who can tell me what does a parrot sounds like? Squawk, squawk. Everybody. Squawk. Kakak, squawk. Parrot loves to make lots of noise. Do you like to make noise? I'm sure at home mommy will say, be quiet please, mommy wants to do work. She wants her friends to join in too. Come and make some noise with me, she says to monkey. Aww, she wants to make friends with the monkey and she wants monkey to make noise. But monkey is too busy. What did he say? Ooh, 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 sorry parrot, not this time. I'm eating my bananas. What else do they eat? Yes? Banana and apples. Okay, any fruits you can find in the jungle. So Parrot says, but I want somebody to make noise with me. Parrot sees a crocodile splashing in the water. Will you make some noise with me? The parrot said, and the parrot said, squawk! Oh, but the crocodile said, snap, snap. Sorry, parrot. I'm having too much fun swimming in this pool. Oh no, crocodile is also too busy to play and make noise with little parrot. Who wants to play with the parrot now? Because the monkey is too busy, the crocodile's too busy. So what the parrot did was, so parrot flies off to see zebra. Very good. Squawk. Please come and make some noise with me. But zebra is too busy munching the tasty long grass. Sorry, parrot, she says. Neigh, neigh. That's the sound of the zebra. I can't be noisy all by myself. Just then, monkey, crocodile, and zebra burst out of the bushes. And they said, nothing is more important than having fun with friends, they say. Perfect, says Parrot. It's time for a really noisy afternoon. Everybody says, squawk! The end. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has a parrot, E-I-E-I-O, with a squawk, squawk here and a squawk, squawk there. Here a squawk, there a squawk, everywhere a squawk, squawk. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.